All right, well, new residential construction data is out now with a surprise rise in starts and permits. Dani Romero joining us now with the numbers. Dani.
I think it's important to understand, Shauna, that permits lead starts, and starts lead completions, and completions lead sales. And the biggest takeaway in this report was there was a slight bump in multifamily permits. So really showing the renaissance in supply from the pandemic until now. There was a little bit of a slight drop in multifamily starts. Builders really respond to higher prices. And given the fact that asking rent has flattened, vacancies are rising, there has been some pullback when it comes to some of the projects for next year. And if we move over to single family, both permits and starts gained some momentum, but only slightly. And that really points out that builders are pretty much finishing up their projects. There's still a lot of projects under construction right now. Yes, builders are ramping up housing starts, but if we take a look at the smaller home builders, they're ramping up on a somewhat slower pace. The National Association of Home Builders says that they're forecasting a 5% increase in single-family home starts. That really does signal some sign of cautionary momentum there. Now, UBS, I thought this was really interesting too. They are upping their forecast for housing starts for single-family. They point out that the large public home builders really have some leverage and some skin in the game right now. The fact that there is such low supply on the existing home sales side. It will be another story, though, for apartments. There is pullback from developers. The fact that there has been so much supply that has been onto the market. So they really do signal that the market still needs to digest some of that supply.
All right, Dani, we're going to continue to track some of these stocks closely annexed with this data that's come out this morning. Thanks so much for breaking that down. Yahoo Finance's own Dani Romero.